Alright, so here we are. We just parked at Transportation and Ticket Center. I'm excited. This is gonna be the first time I'm actually in a Disney park for the first time in 4 months. I'm excited to get in there and ride some of the rides that I've missed and see some of the shows that I've missed, but I'm not gonna approach it in the way of, oh, look how cool these are. I'm gonna approach it in a way of how safe do I feel doing my favorite things in a Disney park. And I'm gonna take you with me. Baby Yoda face mask up.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
Alright, now that I'm officially in, I've even watched Move It, Shake It, and I stared at the castle for probably 30 minutes. I think it's time to get on some rides. It should be no trouble getting on everything I want to get on today too, because the longest wait in the park currently, frankly they did just open, but the longest wait in the park right now is 25 minutes, and that's 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Dude. Kingdom, the one that I've missed the most, pretty obviously, is my favorite ride in the entire park, which is Haunted Mansion. But I must not derive from my mission. How are they doing social distancing on this ride? Let's find out.
And we'll continue on. There's no turning back now.
So here's a major change. We're no longer stopping in the stretching room. We're no longer doing the stretching. It's just
welcome, foolish
because I guess they don't want
to the Haunted Mansion.
I will miss it. They also seem to be sitting every other cart, which is not bad.
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Alright, now the next ride I'm actually dying to do is Splash Mountain. Now before I go over here and ride this, I do want to clear the air a little bit. I do genuinely enjoy Splash Mountain. I think it's a great ride. I think it's a great e-ticket attraction. And I think it's great on a hot day just to get soaking wet in the face. Do I agree with the theming? No, never really have. Song of the South was a genuinely racist film that came out in the 1960s. Which is where Brer Fox and Brer Rabbit and all that came from. The fact that it was built in 1989 and it was based on arguably a horrible film still kind of baffles me, which is why I'm actually excited. I'm sure most of you have heard about it. It was all over the news, but I am excited. They're going to be redoing the ride and making it Princess and the Frog. Wonderful movie. Should be a wonderful overlay. And I'm excited for that. That said, just because I like the ride, Splash Mountain, does not mean that I like the movie Song of the South. I just really, really enjoy, honestly, going up a mountain, falling off of it, and getting splashed in the face when it's 100 degrees outside in Florida. Looks like the Briar Patch store is all closed. Sold completely out of their merch. I'd say it's people picking it up for nostalgia's sake, but let's be honest, they're just trying to flip it on eBay. Looks like it's only 5 minutes. Love it or hate it, it's time to say goodbye to Splash Mountain in its current form. Looks like they're sitting every other row on this one as well. Good to see.
Looking for trouble if you ask me.
A nice thing to see. Just like Universal, they have relaxation stations where you can take off your mask for a second if it's killing you. Since I'm in the area, I might as well ride another classic. Let's go check out some social distancing on the Pirates of the Caribbean. Plenty of social distancing markers all throughout the queue. You'll find that in every attraction, which is great. And if it was a lot busier, then I would be waiting on each marker and standing 6 feet apart. But it's not busy, so we can just kind of walk right on, which is wonderful. Once again, they are really separating each guest on the ride and really enforcing the mask wearing, which so far is good.
Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10!
You've got 20 for the wrong.
Hot down, you lily-livered lover! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
So far, we've ridden Haunted Mansion in New Orleans Square. We've ridden Splash Mountain in Frontierland. We've ridden Pirates of the Caribbean and Adventureland. Fun, spur-of-the-moment thing. I think we should get on one ride for every land.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change,
for Fantasyland, I'm thinking. 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Don't let the seemingly long line fool you. It's actually only 25 minutes. The only reason it seems so long is because of physical distancing. We all have to stay 6 feet apart. You know, we can only seat every other row. You know, COVID is kind of making it seem longer than it is, when really, in actuality, the wait is only 25 minutes. Looks like they've removed all of the interactive, touchable elements and put up plexiglass walls to block you from the other parties. Things have definitely changed, to say the least. See? Definitely closed. Hopefully it'll reopen again one day. Oh, how I have missed this ride. It's a dark ride, roller coaster hybrid, and it's incredible. Woo! I have missed that ride so much and I love it. Sorry if they come off like super shaky. I'm a little out of practice filming roller coasters, as you can imagine. Time for another ride to Tomorrowland. And the last ride I really want to hit today. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh my god, I'm totally out of practice. We're talking Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. Is it shocking at all, knowing my personality, that I'm just gonna go on Disney's Men in Black? Hi! I felt bad, she was waving at the camera and it was facing me, so I was like, here, let me flip it around, hi! I love it when cast members want to be in the vlog, it's so fun. By the way, as much as I love seeing Buzz immediately, we are being majorly redirected kind of immediately. What are we thinking, guys? Am I going to achieve galactic hero status once again? Oh my god, that is so close that it kills me. Oh my god. Just for vlog and time's sake, I won't do it again today, but I'm going again before I leave, and I'm gonna get galactic hero costume, darn it.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
All right, and that brings us to this. That was actually the last ride that I wanted to hit today. We've ridden all the things we want to ride, but I'm not signing it off. Our mission is not yet done. We are not yet explored all of the social distancing here in Magic Kingdom. Let's go get some food and see how they're handling a quick service restaurant. We're now gonna head into Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, which, as long as you mobile order, you can get your food. So once you order your food, you go ahead and click I'm here, prepare my order, and then you can go ahead and go on in, stand on one of these green markers, and wait in some air conditioning. So I picked up a grilled chicken sandwich with a side of fries, a side of pickles, and a Coke. And the process was super quick, easy, painful. Oh my god, I'm so ready to get the mask off. It's hot, and I haven't hydrated enough today, and that's important. Always hydrate. Hydrate as much as possible, even if it's just Coke. I even brought a water bottle, I was just too busy riding. Better.
And suddenly I heard them, but no one was there. Those
rode some rides. We got some food. We social distanced. But to be honest, there's one thing that we still haven't done. Other than merchandise shop, but pretty darn sure all the new merch is at Disney Springs, so I don't really feel the need to show that. The only thing we haven't done, especially not at Disney Springs, or even at Magic Kingdom right now, we haven't gone to see a show. And I feel like being crammed inside of a theater with other people, it is important to show how social distancing works in that situation. So I'm gonna bring the camera with me, and I'm gonna take you on my favorite show, not only here at the Magic Kingdom, but also in all of Walt Disney World. We're talking the wonderful, the amazing Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Now, obviously, I'm not going to record the whole show because I'm not a complete jerk. I just want to get into the theater and show you some of the social distancing measures and then talk to you after.
While the show has changed over the years, it continues to entertain audiences today. An ongoing tribute to one man who never stood in the way of progress, Walt Disney.
So they are seating every other row, and there are specific seats, as you can see, that are social distancing. Please don't use these seats. That entire shot was blurry, wasn't it? They're sitting every other row, and there's certain seats you can't sit in. That's it. Okay. And that right there is where I think we're gonna sign off. It's been an amazing day here at the Magic Kingdom, and I'm so happy to be back. Happy that Disney World's reopened again. Good night, everybody.
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out.